All right, so we're going to remove the battery of your Durango and replace it in about 60 seconds. So first you're going to take out the front and rear bolts of the passenger seat in your Dodge Durango. There goes the front bolts, and here goes the rear bolts. And after you do that, you should be able to lean your seat back, as you can see here, and then remove the battery tray. And now what we're going to do is remove the battery terminals, the positive and negative, the vent tube, and also the battery hold down strap. That's going to be, then you'll be able to move the battery back and pull it out. Then you're going to go ahead and put your new battery in here, slide it forward, and there goes the vent tube. And then you're going to go ahead and reconnect your positive terminal and negative terminal and your battery tie-down strap. And now we're done. Put the cover back on and clip it back to place. There goes the seat. And now you want to get it lined up, and you're going to go ahead and put in your 4 bolts, and that's it.